In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find USDC wallet address on Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to copy your deposit address or show a QR code so you can receive USDC confidently and avoid common mistakes. First, open your Coinbase wallet app on your phone. Give it a moment to load completely so all the buttons and balances appear. If you haven't used it in a while, the app may prompt you to update. It's a good idea to do that for the best compatibility and security. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in method and complete any verification the app asks for. If you have extra security enabled, like a passcode or biometric unlock, that's normal. Take your time here. This helps protect your funds and ensures you're viewing the right wallet. Once you're in, look for the transfer option. Depending on your app layout, you might see a transfer button or an option that leads to send and receive. Tap transfer to open that menu and then choose receive crypto. This tells the app you want to bring funds in, not send them out. Now select USDC as the asset you want to receive. You can scroll through your asset list or use the search bar to find USDC quickly. Picking the correct asset is important. Your USDC address is different from addresses for other coins, so make sure it says USDC before you continue. After selecting USDC, choose the network. USDC exists on multiple networks, and your address changes based on the network you pick. Match the network to the one the sender will use. For example, if the sender is sending USDC on a particular network, you must select that same network here. Network choice affects fees and compatibility, so confirm this with the sender or the platform you're receiving from. You'll now see your USDC deposit details for that network, including your wallet address and a QR code. Tap the copy icon to copy the address exactly or present the QR code so someone can scan it without typing. Double check that the asset is USDC and the network shown matches what you expect before sharing the address. A mismatch can result in lost funds, and transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. That's it. Open the app, log in, go to transfer, choose receive crypto, select USDC, pick the correct network, and then copy or share the address or QR code. Keep your recovery phrases and private keys private, and only share your receive address with trusted sources. When in doubt, verify the network with the sender before they initiate the transfer.